guys, welcome back. My husband asked me to make him some soft, chewy oatmeal cookies, a recipe that I had made a few weeks ago. And so I thought I would go ahead and share that recipe with you as well. So I'm starting out with 2 eggs, and I'm going to put in 2 sticks of butter that I have softened in the microwave. I didn't go complete liquid, but it did call for room temperature. So, right, there is one. Oh, this one got a little softer, but it'll be fine. And now we want 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar. Okay. Now we want to mix our dry ingredients. Okay, so I've already mixed my dry ingredients, but what I have is 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And I'm going to put about half of it in here. And go ahead and let that start to mix. Now we need to, the recipe calls for 3 cups of oats. I don't use all 3 cups, and I'll show you. It gets really thick really quick. Here's the first cup. Second cup. You can see it's already extremely thick. I'm going to try to get a few more in. I usually stop at 2. Now what I'm going to do is finish mixing it by hand because it's getting really thick and just coming up the sides instead of mixing. But what I'm going to do is just finish folding that in by hand, get it in a bowl, and refrigerate it for an hour. Alright, so I just went ahead and put the whole bowl in the fridge and let them chill down in this metal bowl. And I'm just going to be using a medium-sized scoop. You could use a spoon. You could put gloves on and just grab the dough and roll it into balls. Odds are you're making this for your family. They're not going to mind if you touch the dough. And now I just push them down just a little bit. Now you can also, at the end, whenever you have your oatmeal incorporated, if you want to fold in some raisins, by all means you can do that. I don't care for raisins, so I'm just making them like this. I have my oven preheated to 375. I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Now they are going to bake for 10 minutes, 10 to 11 minutes. Just keep an eye on them in your oven. And these are going to be a chewy cookie. If you like a crunchy cookie, you can by all means just bake them longer. Keep an eye on them so that they don't burn. But if you you know, the longer you bake them, of course, you're going to lose some of the chewiness. So we'll give that 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so I got them out of the oven and they all completely ran together like one large cookie, so I had to cut them apart. So they're square cookies, but they are delicious. You can see how chewy they are. Delicious. This time when I bake them, I spread them out a little bit more, and there's only 9 on the paper. So they're going in for another 10 minutes. Well, as you can see, they still ran together and I had to cut them apart. I'm just going to let them cool off a little bit more before I put them with the others.